Are you looking for the best air suspension kit? In this video, we will break down the top 6 air suspension kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Airlift 57275. This air suspension is the best pick if you want a highly reliable option. Other than that, it also offers a very high load capacity of 5,000 pounds. And at the given load capacity rating, its maximum pressure rating of up to 100 psi is to be expected. Being a premium option from this air suspension, not only do you get an excellent build quality, but in many cases, it is the result of a highly reliable selection. Also, it offers up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling capacity. The new Loadlifter Ultimate Plus kit will make towing and hauling with your vehicle a comfortable and stress-free experience. The shipping weight of this product is 22.4 pounds. Finally, it comes with a lifetime warranty and a 60 days ride satisfaction guarantee your satisfaction. At number 2, Firestone W217602250. To eliminate scraping and enhance general performance, this Ride Right kit levels out the vehicle on all sides. It provides enough pressure to keep the air springs balanced and stable, from both sides of the vehicle and vice versa. Also, this Ride Right air helper springs mount between the frame and the suspension of light trucks, vans, and motorhomes. The heavy-duty convoluted air springs will handle all leveling needs with load-carrying capacities between 3,200 to 5,000 pounds per set. You do get a standard maximum pressure rating of up to 100 psi, which is ideal for heavy-duty usage. Besides, this kit includes air springs, air lines, fasteners, upper and lower brackets, inflation valves, push-to-connect air fittings, and detailed instructions. After all, this air suspension kit includes a 2-year-long warranty that goes great in premium build quality. At number 3, Firestone 2582. It helps to improve steering control and braking effectiveness and match your vehicle's load for an overall improved ride. It absorbs road shock and adjusts to varying loads for ideal ride conditions, while the air cushion softens contact between the axle and the frame to reduce bottoming out. Also, it includes everything you need for a quick installation. In terms of core specifications, it has a lot to show for itself. This kit's airbags come in a variety of sizes that are capable of leveling loads between 3,200 and 5,000 pounds. Above all else, this kit's airbags can be inflated between 0 and 100 psi, which is more than enough to absorb shocks and shakes on the roughest of roads. At number 4, AUTOSAVER 88 ATVCSA 2024. The super cheap and compatible with almost any truck is the best airbag for Ram 2500 for the money. The heavy-duty construction with high-density rubber makes it possible to withstand almost any use. Even though it is a universal model, the piece still withstands a lot of weight. You can make it work with 2,100 pounds of total load, making it perfect for smoothing out your ride. Thankfully, due to the low load capacity of this air suspension, you get a very high maximum pressure rating of 550 psi, allowing you to easily adjust things. Lastly, it is backed by a 1-year warranty for your satisfaction. At number 5, Vixen Air VXD 2514S. This air suspension kit, durable and is made with quality rubber. The kit is considered to be durable, and it has a rugged profile which can also be seen in the design of its airlines. Also, there is a system of half-inch airlines in place on the air suspension kit. It offers a fast response and ensures a 600 psi air pressure comes in a shorter amount of time as a result. The height range of the air kit has a minimum of 2.8 inches and a maximum of 12.5 inches. This means that loads of up to 3.055 lbs can be handled from any angle. Moreover, the air suspension kit is among the efficient designs for added quality in terms of braking, vehicle stability, towing, and generally having better weight distribution. At number 6, Airlift 57204. This kit makes use proprietary LoadLifter 5000 air suspension system to comfortable level loads up to 5,000 pounds. Better yet, this kit's components are compatible with many 0.5, 0.75, and 1-ton pickups and vans, making it an ideal pick for industrial business owners looking to keep their fleet of vehicles operating smoothly. Also, it has actually taken the guesswork out of installing or replacing an air suspension system. It can help eliminate squat, improving steering, braking, and tire wear. When towing a trailer, air springs permit precise vehicle height adjustment for exact alignment, eliminating trailer sway. As well, its progressive spring rate soaks up bumps, keeping tires on the road for better handling. It increases spring rate and vastly improves vehicle stability. Less roll means a safer and more comfortable ride. Lastly, it offers a lifetime warranty and a 60-day no questions asked money-back guarantee.